What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to increase the speed and the performance of your Mac. So without any further ado, let's hop right into it. So the first step I have for you guys is basically keeping your Mac up to date. By going to the App Store and updating your Mac, this could help increase the performance of your Mac by a lot. So right here, when you go into updates, you could see software update right here, and you could click on update and then restart your computer, and it should help fix some issues with your computer if you were having any. So the next step I have for you guys is right here is where you go to activity monitor and basically getting rid of any applications that are taking up way too much memory right here by clicking end task. So right now you could see how much memory this is taking up, and basically if you don't want a certain activity to be happening, you could easily exit out of it, and it should help increase the performance of your computer. Alright, so the next step I have has to do with system preferences, where you open up system preferences, and at the bottom you should see a list of files right here. So basically these could be taking up a lot of your computer's memory. If you don't use any of them, you could easily remove from here so they could stop taking up that memory. And the next one I have, by going to users and group, and right here you're gonna see on the user, you're gonna go to login items, and by disabling basically stuff that you don't want to open as soon as you restart your computer or start up from the login. So this should help your computer speed if you have like a lot of applications that are opening all at once. By taking some of them off, it'll help the performance of your computer, especially during startup. So this next tip has a lot to do with removing files off your computer that you don't need. Like, for example, the trash can. Emptying it out would help clear up some space, especially if you have a lot of files on there. And you're gonna go to your Finder, and you're going to all my files, and basically getting rid of anything that you don't want on here. This could help get rid of a lot of space. Like right here, move to trash, and after you finish, you go back to trash and empty the trash can, and that should help clear up some space on your computer, especially if you have a lot of trash on there that you could get rid of. Alright, so the next step should help reduce some lag that you are facing on your computer, and basically you go to system preferences and go to dock, and if you have magnification on, just turn it off, and right here you're gonna go change it to scale effect, and you're gonna turn animate opening applications. You're gonna check that off, and that should help decrease some of the lag that you are facing. Alright, so the last step I have for you guys is basically clearing out your computer's cache, and by doing this you're gonna clear up a lot of memory on your computer, and it should help increase the performance, like the overall performance of your computer. So in order to do this, you're gonna go ahead and go to your desktop. You're gonna go to Command Shift and G. You're gonna type this in right here, and you're gonna click go. Everything in this file is safe to delete, and is going to clear up a lot of memory that is on your computer. Basically, this is junk that you could remove and free up some space on your computer. So by deleting all the files in here, you should clear up the cache on your computer and increase the speed, and like basically clear up a lot of memory. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like and tune in for next time.